So let's start with the new demo. I can say part. So we create a VAG file. Step 1, we'll attach the PDF to the VAG file. Okay, how the software is designed is for the dimension where a tolerance already there, software automatically takes it from the drawing. For an open tolerance dimension, you can always specify the tolerance standard. So again, tolerance standard, we support both the types, the range and decimal based one. Apart from the normal standards you have, you can add your own customer standard also. Right. So how the software does here is like, for example, 4575. So this dimension is having a tolerance. So software will automatically take it from here. Whereas here doesn't have a tolerance. So you can, for this dimension, it takes it from the tolerance table. So step 1, we'll try to extract the title block information, which includes the part number, part name and drawing number and so on. So AR99 is my part name and 35795 is my part number. And this is my drawing number and this is my revision. So I can merge all this data and save here. So eventually this items becomes a header in all the reports I'm generating. So next step 2 is like, creating views, adding balloons and finish the job. So we're just going to add views here. So this is my top view. So I always believe on a view-wise ballooning philosophy. You do it like randomly or you do it view-wise. So how you balloon it, sir? So how do you balloon it, sir?
Normally we do clockwise.
Clockwise, everything is important. Am I audible?
Yeah.
So you are saying you're doing clockwise. So I ask you a question like whether you're doing clockwise within a view or the whole drawing.
Sorry, sir.
No, you do clockwise. You do view-wise ballooning or you do the whole drawing ballooning, sir?
Whole drawing, sir.
Okay. It's very difficult, no? Someone searching balloon number, it becomes difficult, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially like if you have an A3 or an A0 size drawing, correct? So it's the old way. Again, it's a recommended way people do it view-wise. So now we're going to do that. Now first I'm going to detect the CTQ characters here. So CTQ characters is an SC here, so I can filter that value. And later one click, I can convert this to a CTQ dimension. And mark as CTQ. So it is taken care. Now this one is also a CTQ symbol. I have an option to select the symbol, whichever is there, and I can select the symbol. Software cuts this image, looks for the same dimension wherever it is in the drawing. It detects the symbol, and you can filter that symbol and convert this to a CTQ dimension. Right. Not only that, it will find the closest dimension to this one, and it will do the automatic merging to the closest dimension. So now we're done with the preparation of the drawing. Now we are going for the ballooning, right? So here I have an option to select it. You might have observed we have a data side on the left and right side and drawing on the left side. So you can always do the interaction here. Let's say I want to filter a dimension like 45.1. I can filter 45.1 here. And it will locate to the dimension. If I click D here, it takes me to the dimension wherever it is. Okay, same way I can filter for diameter type dimensions. So software can do an automatic filter for those dimension also, and can quickly navigate to the location of that particular dimension. Now, once you're done with that, so I can directly go for ballooning it. So I can just say view all, filter, and all dimensions I want to select, and mark as balloon. So currently when you are ballooning, always you'll be sure what is balloon and what is not balloon, sir. So how do you manage that? Hello.
Sorry, we didn't get you, sir.
Currently, after you balloon it, right?
Okay.
So you want to find out what is balloon and what is not balloon, correct?
Yeah.
Always that is a tricky question, correct? So
Yes.
boss always asks me like whether you balloon all the dimensions.
Correct.
So how do you check it, sir, today?
Normally we will check manually. In this, I think we can filter.
Yes, sir. So here we have this option
Yeah.
called the hide dimension.
Okay.
It will hide whatever is already ballooned.
Uh,
So then you know clearly what exactly is left out.
okay. Understood.
Okay. So now in this case, we ballooned everything what we want. So we can uncheck this option.
Okay.
And what I can do is I can go for automatic ballooning
Okay.
and apply it. Okay.
Okay.
So the balloon default place it on left side. So one click, it will find a empty space and it will auto place the balloons wherever there's a space. Right. And even it couldn't place. So you can select that and you can find an empty space and keep her wherever you want to keep it. You can keep the balloons. Right. So once you've done that, you can generate the balloon PDF. So as I told you, so it gives a very clean report. So each view it tells what balloon number it has also, right? I can see in the drawing as well. So each view it will tell me what balloon number it contains, right?
Okay.
So typically it would have taken some time, right, for ballooning. Yes or no? Yeah. So next, okay, let's finish ballooning. Now what I want to do is I want to generate an inspection report. So from the master, I can have a tolerance standard master, like the same way I have an instrument master. For what tolerance, what instrument or what sub characteristics I have to assign, I can assign those sub characteristics and generate a report. Or I can manually select the instrument also this way. Now, if I want to generate a report, the reports also generated. The reports are fully customized. So whatever is your report format to the dot, we'll make the report format for it. So manually you type this, at least it will take 45 minutes, right?
Yes.
It's typing. So the software, if you observe, it doesn't type. It takes care of alignment, merging, centering. Okay. So how clean it has come? Let me save a PDF file. Instead of printing, I don't have a. I can demonstrate with printer, so I use the. So this is saved as a PDF. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So alignment is good.
Yes, it's good.
So if you see this one, you can see all multiple pages. It's come very neatly. Correct. So header is taken care. Normally, the customer expectation to have header everywhere. To read, clean up, and do this Excel itself is a Himalayan task. Agreed?
Yes. Correct.
Okay. So this is done. So next is what document you will generate. And you have a habit to give the zone location, sir, or are you giving the zones also? Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Do you have a habit of giving a zone location, sir? Zone or grid? Zone or grid?
Correct.
You give or you don't give?
We will give.
Okay.
Normally we will give.
Okay, so put that in the report takes hours, right? Here within a second you can generate a zone also. So in your report you can see that it comes along with the zone information. Okay. Okay, what next? So next is we are going to add the process flow diagram. So generally people follow 10, 20, 30, 40, or some people have operation and operation number fixed. So what do you follow?
Yes, sir. 10, 20, 30.
Only. Okay, great. So what we load is this will load the min and max number. So if your process goes up to 250, we'll give the number master up to 300 actually. Okay. And again, coming back here, we give, so what do you call, we'll load all your existing process here. Turning, milling, grinding, first CNC setup, second CNC setup. Whatever your current process is there, it will get added here. Now let me select this. Operation 10 is this. And say 20 is one operation. And I can say 30 is one more operation. Say 40 is this thing. Okay. Now I can choose my machine. You can see when I choose the machine, the incoming source reaction plan, fixed properties related to the process gets loaded. Okay. Now what I can do is generate my PFD. So manually you generate takes a lot of time, right?
Yes.
Here it generates all different formats. So many times what happens is you want on one format and some customers specifically want in their format. Redoing it's a very painy task, correct?
Yes.
So there is no engineering involved, but so much of documentation work we have to do. That is where we automate this process. So your PFD is done. So again, as I told you, the reports are fully customized to your format. Whatever is your format, we can generate the report in that format for you. Okay. So you have any doubts till now? Okay. So let's get into the operation wise. Let's get into this one. Let's pick up this dimension and say this and all I want to do in a particular operation. That is operation 10. So this is basically you do feasibility report.
Yes, sir. Feasibility study.
Yeah. So in feasibility report you have to tell no which parameter, which operation you are finishing. Correct.
Yeah.
So we are just distributing the parameters. The advantage here is you don't miss out a single balloon number because it's all there in the drawing, and you won't miss out a single balloon number here. Right, this is all operation 30, and whatever is left out, I'll do it in say operation 40. Now what I can do is I can generate a PDF which is operation wise, or before that, I think I ask you a question. So how do you check whether it is ballooned or not on a PDF? So normally what people do is they'll highlight the dimension which is ballooned. Okay. So the advantage you get is yes, you can know what is balloon and what is not. Now if I generate my PDF, all my items which is ballooned, it comes in yellow, right? It gives a lot of clarity, correct?
Yes.
Now once you do this, then we can generate a PDF now. So this is colored one. And here I can do an operation wise also, since I segregated operation wise. Software one click generates a operation wise PDF. So 10, 20, 30, 40 it generates the PDF. And it can generate my in-process inspection report also. So operation 10, 20 and 30, 40 it can generate a report. Okay. So now since I segregated process wise, I have an option generate a feasibility report also. So tell you which process, which parameter you are doing, balloon number wise, and whether it is feasible or not. So this table is taken from you only. Whatever data you are giving as a table range, it will be added in the master. And if you say what is feasible and what is not, so for example, OD, I can say I do from 0 to 30. In that 0 to 30, I can achieve maximum only 5 micron. So accordingly, the table will be set and the feasibility report generated accordingly. Okay. So this is one. And next is here FMEA. So we do FMEA based on main also, stage drawing also. So this is an example I'm doing showing on the main drawing. So for all the balloon parameters, so it generates your FMEA report. It could be parameter wise, operation wise also. Mostly people maintain a separate master. You do parameter wise and process also, or do only processor?
Process only, sir.
Process only. So
Yes.
makes your life simple, better actually. So which version you are running on? 3, 4 or VDA, sir? 6.3?
PDA, sir.
VDA. So we do both parameter and process. Now software is doing it parameter wise. Doing parameter takes a lot of time, right?
Yeah.
Now it will be doing a process wise for me. This is also pulled down from the master. You just click one more report. So it's just a species. So finally, your control plan. So this I showed you on main drawing. We can do it on the stage drawing as well. So you can specify the sample size, frequency, control method, etc. All that you can add. Rough or finish all data you can give and do that and generate your control plan. So manually your document takes a lot of time, right?
Yeah.
So control plan is also generated. And as I told you, all reports are customized, the header, footers, how you want that process to flow, all are taken care of. Okay.
Okay.
So any questions you have till now?
Header and footers are modified either as per customized.
All the reports are done to your format, sir.
Okay.
Right from tolerance standard. See, we come with a clean slate.
Okay.
We write from tolerance standard, we add whatever standard you are asking for. Your subcharacteristics is your requirement. Your instrument less use will be yours.
Okay.
Your all the masters 11 to the PFD control plan FME, all is yours actually.
Yes. Okay.
So our product is 80% fixed and 20% is configurable actually. And
Okay.
we configure for every customer actually.
First article 1 to yeah. First article. Form 1, Form 2, Form 3 also came, sir.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing aerospace, huh? That
Yes,
then
sir.
okay. So we can do that also. Sorry, I was not sure on your segments. That's why I didn't show you this. So all reports can be fully customized. Even Form 3s, you may have different customer, may have different formats. You are in aerospace or you are purely in aerospace, sir, actually?
Yes, sir. Purely in aerospace. AS standard you follow. AS certificate holder, sir.
Oh, nice. Okay. So we can make Form 3 to a report format, sir. Most importantly, see, after you make the part, right, you want to inspect the observed values, right? Normally, what happens is the CMO guys are in complete pressure to fill the form 3. Let's say you have a 300 parameter and you have 8 components you're producing in that, or 6 components you're producing. Your CMO guy has to fill all the form 3 completely, correct? One by one, actually. Here, what we have one more product called Smart Inspector. What you can do is you can enter the observed values here. And so this is my sample. I can say one. Number of samples is 3. So what I'll do is load the project. And I say it is a 3 sample project. You can see 3 samples has come. So one option is I can manually enter one by one, or I have an option to import data from a CMO machine. Okay, so which machine you have? Zeiss, Mintotoyo, Hexagon, what you have?
Keynes well.
Okay. So any format, we can just import it inside here and save this. So software directly highlights on the drawing. So you can see here, OK will come in green, not OK in red. Anything close to upper, it comes in one color. Anything close to lower, it comes in one color. Right? Nice way to see the drawing, correct? So this I used to do manually. Actually, spend 2-3 hours. My boss never sees the report. He always sees the drawing. So this output you can push as a PDF file also. Plus we can do a detailed R&R SPC also. So you guys do R&R SPC?
Yes, sir.
You do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.